In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy TurboTax through countyoffice.org. TurboTax is a reliable way to file your taxes efficiently, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. This ensures you're buying directly and avoiding scams or third-party fees. On the homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If not, create a new account with your email and a secure password. After logging in, go to the TurboTax Home section. Look for the Switch Products or Upgrade option to choose the version that best fits your tax situation. TurboTax offers options from basic filing for simple returns to more advanced versions for complex taxes. Take a moment to review features and prices to make the best choice. Once you select your product, confirm your choice and review the order summary. Then follow the prompts to complete your purchase. And that's it. You're ready to tackle this tax season confidently. If you need help, TurboTax customer support is available to guide you. Happy filing!